Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna be trying to go for this week 11 drop. I feel like this should be an easy one. I saw the EU live cops this morning and I actually saw that the lighters took a little while to sell out. I honestly am not even gonna look at the bike. I'm gonna just go straight for the lighter, maybe a poncho or two, and then get the shorts or the hourglass tee. I don't think I'm gonna go for both of them because low key that would make this purchase $300, and that's something that I'm not trying to do today. That's a little too much money to be spending on a dead week, so I'm gonna just go ahead and probably pick up the shorts. Yeah, I actually think I'm gonna go for the shorts. I feel like that's better off than just $120 for a shirt. That doesn't make sense to me, so I'm gonna go ahead, go for the shorts, the poncho, and the lighter in one cart. Hopefully we are successful in today's live cop, but if you do end up enjoying, go ahead and slap a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content, click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video, and also that way you'll stay tuned for when I post a 5-winner giveaway that is going to be coming out really shortly. So make sure you stay tuned on the channel because I will be announcing it hopefully this upcoming week. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Alright, so now we're back and the drop should be happening literally any second. So we're here, we just don't know when it's gonna be. So let me go ahead and open the shorts tab. I'm in the accessories tab and the shit drop. Let's get it. Let me get that. Let me get one of these. Come on, smooth in and out, bro. I don't need no extra shit right now. Boom, process. Just let me through. Right now I'm processing on the shorts, the lighter, and the one poncho. I don't really need too many. I just want one real quick. Honestly, bro, I'm rushing. Like, I came through running just to cop. I processed and I got everything that I wanted. Honestly, I still do want a shirt, but I don't know if I'm gonna end up going for it. I just don't know. Like, I feel like it's cool, but I don't know if I want to spend $100 on a shirt right now. That's not the way that my pockets are looking. It looks cool though. Like, low-key, I want to do it, but I don't know if I want to pull the trigger. This was an easy week for me. I literally triple carded and got straight up out of there. This tee is looking ever so fire though, bro. I don't know. I might have to pull the trigger. I don't know, bro. This shit is hard, son. I don't know. I low-key want to buy it, but I don't know if I want to spend. Let me see how much it would come up to. $120 for a shirt. I don't think I could do that, to be honest, bro. I got the shorts. I think I'll be alright. I like the shirt, but $120, bro, it's not looking like I'm gonna do that today, to be honest. But the lighter is still sitting. The smoke gray color is actually pretty cool. I don't know why I didn't decide to go for that one because I feel like when it comes to that one, you could put any color lighter in it and it will change colors, which is pretty cool. It is what it is. I just let that one be. I went for the red one, which is actually still sitting, bro. That's pretty crazy to me. I got one ballpark poncho and just called it a day. I think I'm good, bro. I don't really need anything else. I got the shorts, which was something that I've been talking about for ever so long, and I don't really have much bottoms when it comes to Supreme, so I feel like that was a really good purchase. The shirt, on the other hand, I don't think it's worth it for $120 after shipping and all that extra shit. So I'm gonna just go ahead, bite the bullet on that one and just pretty much just sit it out. This one is fire though. This was an easy checkout. I feel like manual for the past 2 weeks I've been cooking up like crazy, which is pretty sick to me. But I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video, and also stay on the lookout because next week I will be announcing the 5-winner giveaway. Just make sure you stay on lookout because that is going to be coming out shortly. I'm putting the finishing touches and I promise you guys it will be out really soon. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.